Hey, thank you so much for joining me. I'm delighted that you're here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today what we're going to do is use the bandsaw, and we're going to use the disc sander in order to shape that round solid piece of basswood that we had that you saw in the previous video. I'm actually going to cut it and get it all set to put into the guitar because we're at that stage. Now, I apologize in advance for the video, and the audio is not that great either because I did it all on my iPhone because it's a sealed camera. I did reach out to GoPro to see if they'd like me to test their camera in a dust environment, and I got the standard letter back that said, "Take a hike, Jack. Thank you very much, but no thank you." So, okay, that's fine. We'll continue to use the iPhone. I'll play some music along in that section anyway. So what we're going to do is get all of that done, and then we'll get it glued up, and then I'll show you where we're going from that point on. So what do you say we spin that disc and move right into it? So what I'm going to do here now is I am going to start by going after this line, coming close to it here. I'm going to be on the outside of the line because we're going to bump it up on the sander. You'll see me do that in a few minutes. But what we're going to do right now is use the bandsaw, and it's going to get a little noisy here, so I might cut the volume here. We'll see. What I'm going to do here is check to make sure that we are absolutely at 90 degrees because I want this thing straight. And then I will cut it to this area. I'm going to get the sander going. It'll get a bit noisy, and I have my dust mask on, so let's go do it. This is looking really good. However, I'm going to make a cut here. Well, thank you for joining me. I am happy that you were here today. I will get the stuff glued into the side of the body. I'm going to use fish glue on this one because I want it really tight, and I'm going to leave it for a while, and that will really make it secure. The body shape is perfect. The armrest is great, and we're all done. Now, before I leave, Thursday, September 19th, we're going to make this at, what time did I say, 10 a.m. We're going to have a Q&A session with me, Tea with Monty. So get your cup of tea in advance, and you can send in your questions to tryitnow1940@gmail.com. The address is down below, as are other links. If you want to contact me, you can do that. But I need your questions if you want them answered, so the sooner the better. This is Monday. It's a special day because it is my birthday, but apart from that, it is a time for you to send in your questions, and I will answer them on Thursday. But now, you know what's coming. Here we are. It is time for the best drink known to mankind. This is what they should have taken on the Mayflower when they went over and discovered America. Oh my goodness, this is so good. There is actually no substitute for English breakfast tea. Did you know that? It's that good. So I implore you, get yourself a cup of English breakfast tea before it goes in like Prohibition back in the 20s and the 30s, where they stopped allowing alcohol to be served. They might do that to this. It's that good. So don't let that happen. Stock up on your English breakfast tea. All right, I'm crazy, I know. I'm out of here, and I'll see you on Thursday at our Q&A session. Thanks very much. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button and the bell and all of those good things, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.